My name is Tricia Cease. I'm the president of the Virtual Foundry. We're in Stoughton. We make and sell metal 3D printing filaments that work in printers made for plastics. And what's really unique about the Virtual Foundry is that our filaments work in common off-the-shelf 3D printers that range in price from $200 to tens of thousands of dollars. So the printer is your choice. You buy our filaments and you're printing metal objects. What I find really exciting about the product is that it makes manufacturing available to everyone. People can push products to market faster. Companies can test products faster and with far less cost than traditional methods and other methods of metal 3D printing out there. So it democratizes metal 3D printing, making it available to everyone.